Okay, so now I have my primary buttons and my secondary buttons, and so I want to have some icon buttons. I'm going to go to the Material Design plugin and I'm going to select a little person here. I do not, let me do that again. I just did undo. So when I use this particular plugin, you'll notice that it has the vector version here, right? And then there is this path and a frame. I don't need these two, I just need the vector. So I'm going to drag this vector of the figure out and select these two here and just press delete. So now I'm just left with the actual vector shape of the figure. Makes it a lot easier. And I want to have it in a circle mask. So I'm going to opt for using the ellipse tool, which is just the O button. So I'm just going to press, oops, stolen frame. Here we go. Press O. Then I'm going to click and drag a circle shape. I'm going to change it to 60 by 60. And while I'm at it, while this is still selected, let's go ahead and give it a color. And right now I don't want it to be hidden behind the circle, so I can either rearrange these two or do control click and do send to back, same difference. But I'm going to select both the figure and the circle and use the align centers to get it all set. Looks good to me. So now I am gonna select both, hold down the option key, click and drag, make a second version. This one, I'm just gonna do the same thing I've been doing before, which is inversing the color. So do a white background, create a stroke of about 2, and then on the figure, fill it in. So that'll be the hover version. Select this, and I'm going to do create component. Well, actually, I need to get these two to have the same layer naming. It'll make life easier. Well, since we've been doing that all the time, why don't I do a variation of that? So I'm going to actually select this. So let's say I'm forgetting to rename these layers because they're separate, and I just go straight to create component. So I skip the naming step, go to create component. So there's component 1, there's component 2. Like, okay, I shouldn't have done that. So now I can actually name it here if I want to, but let's just say I keep going. And I want to add it to this area. So I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. Even if I bring this over and it's overlapping, it doesn't absorb these two components. So you need to highlight it and drag it in until you get that blue, and now it will be in there. And then this one as well. There we go. So we get both of them. And now, well, you see that they're not named right. We don't have the exact selection. So I'm going to actually change it here over in the dialog box. So let me just go ahead and zoom in a bit. Okay, so originally we have primary, secondary. Now we have these two unnamed components. And I'm going to rename this. So actually, I just need to double click on that. And I'm going to call it icon. And then and then I'll click on this one as well and call this one icon. And as far as like what is the state of that, well, on this one I want it to be default, and then this one I want it to be hover. All right, and now you'll notice that over on the left as well, we have our primary buttons, default and hover, secondary buttons, default and hover, and then our new icon, default and hover. So this is just a way to do it. You just need to click on them and rename them, and you're good to go. We know that we need to make them interaction. So hover over this one, click and drag, let go. and it'll remember the previous settings. I like that. So for on tap, I'm going to change to while hovering. And it looks pretty good. So now I can go over here. Let's go to the Design tab and Option click, right, and have these. I'm going to just quickly distribute the vertical settings and align it there. Okay, so on the first one, I want to change it to the primary one. And the second one's secondary, and this one, I'm going to change it to the icon one. And now we can go ahead and take a look. Let me go ahead and refresh. There we go. So present. And let's advance to this screen. Okay, I got a little bug there. But let's just focus on this icon. So now that works, right? So that's good. I